Yo, what's up guys, iDiscoverTech here, back with another video. Today we're going to have a look at the brand new AirPods Pro 2 clones. At first these seems to be the originals, but these are actually not. These are actually a replica of the brand new AirPods Pro 2s from Apple, and as you can tell, we even have the sticker on the side that looks very similar to the original ones. We even have the brand new packaging, including the 2 pull tabs, just like the AirPods 3s. Apple is now trying to reduce plastic and include these 2 pull tabs in all of their products. So these are going to be the Danny Pro 2 version 4.2. It is a brand new AirPods Pro 2 clones. It is currently the latest version on the market. There might be some new versions in the future, but for now, this is one of the early models that includes ANC Transparency mode, name change mapping, GPS positioning. It is going to have Bluetooth 5.0. Additionally, it should have the same design as the real deal and the brand new feature, which is volume control. I'm not sure if it is actually going to work, but we're going to be testing that out. Also, I'm not sure if it does have MagSafe or not. I doubt it, but once again, we'll have a look at how good this is going to be. For the first 100 orders of the Danny Pro 2 version 4.2, it is going to include a free in-case lanyard, which is basically worth $12.50 if you bought it from Apple. But yeah, he's going to include it for free in your order if you do purchase this product. When it comes to the price of the product, it's going to cost approximately $35. AliExpress is currently having an amazing deal. It is currently AliExpress annual Black Friday deals. From November 1st to November 11th, they have amazing deals, including discounts in graphics cards, computers, laptops, gaming accessories, basically anything on their website. So one of their promos is some of their products is going to have 5% cash back and also $3 off whenever you spend $30. So for instance, if you spend $90 on a headphone, AliExpress should give you $9 off. For those who order from Danny, anything $30 and above, he will give you a chance to win a brand new Apple Pencil clone. These are not original, it's basically a one-to-one clone of the original Apple Pencil, which I will be reviewing very soon on this channel. To be part of the giveaway, basically all you have to do is order anything from Danny, including the AirPods 2, AirPods 3, AirPods Pro, or the AirPods Pro 2 clones that has a total order of $30 or above, and then all you have to do is simply send a screenshot of your order number to me on Discord. I'll drop a link down in the description for my Discord, which you will be able to private message me your order. Anyways, let's open these up. You actually don't have any pull tabs anymore. Instead, we've got the pull tabs. Here is going to be the front. I've got to say it's pretty similar to the originals, but the originals are slightly more satisfying to open it up. Let's check it out. So the first thing you'll see once you open the box, as you can tell, we do have the code bar on the top, is going to be the pen flip that says designed by Apple in California. And then in here we do have the different user guide, and of course all of these 3 regulatory warranty cards. As you can tell, this is basically the AirPods Pro 2 version, the redesigned model. And then inside the box we are going to have the charging case wrapped in a plastic. You'll also have a USB-C to lightning charging cable, which is pretty decent quality. Finally, in the box is going to be the redesigned ear tips. So here are the interchangeable ear tips, including the brand new extra small, the small, and the large ones. Here is the charging case wrapped in a plastic. Let's check it out. Let's unwrap the plastic. Very tightly wrapped. And here is a close-up look of the actual case. At first look, it looks very similar to the AirPods Pros. They're basically identical. And here at the bottom, we do have the lightning port. And we also have the speakers. On the right side of the charging case, we do have the 2 holes right here to basically attach a loop. And then at the back of the case we do have the metal hinge and of course the engravings that says designed Babylon, California, assembled in China, and the powering button in the back, the green LED in the front. If you open up the lid, we're gonna see the engravings on top, and you can tell right away that the earbuds themselves have been redesigned just like what Apple have done. Here is going to be the metal hinge itself, inside of the case. Very similar charging pins and charging mechanism as Apple. We will also have the infrared LED that is trying to detect your ears. And just to show you guys right here that it does have the reverse magnetic hinge. As you can see, it does not close by itself. You need a little bit of force. The snap of the lid does feel really good. Obviously the original is slightly different, but it does feel very similar to some of the AirPods Pro Gen 1 clones, which does actually feel pretty nice. The speakers right here shouldn't work. They're just a design of the case, so they're not actually functional. So here's a close-up look of the earbuds. Once again, here are the sensors. At the top of the earbuds, we're gonna have some grills, and then the same thing on the back. We're gonna have a mesh. On the bottom of the earbuds, we're gonna have the same charging mechanism. You can also pull out the earbuds like this. For those who would like to see more close-up photos of the charging case and earbuds, let me know. I will be uploading on my Discord. So once again, I have a link down below in the description for my Discord where you guys will be able to join and actually see some more photos of this actual product. So right now I'm going to connect the Danny AirPods Pro version 4.2 to my iPhone on iOS 16. All I'm going to do is simply open up the lid. And then as you can see, we got the same pop-up animation as the original AirPods Pro 2s. As you can tell, what you're going to do right now is simply tap on connect and then hold the pairing button in the back until it says connecting. And we actually heard a little beep. I believe this beep is coming from the earbuds and not from the case. I'm not entirely sure. And then as you can tell, it is connecting. Tap on skip. And here we basically have the battery percentage of the charging case and of the earbuds. We got the earbuds right there. As you can see, they're connected to my phone. We also have audio sharing for those who like to share audio with a secondary device. And if you go to the settings, as you can tell, it's actually able to detect the AirPods Pro 2s as genuine AirPods Pros. We got ANC Transparency mode settings. You can also change the pressure control. You can turn off air detection if you like to. The serial number on top of the lid is going to actually match the one on the Bluetooth settings, as you can tell. Let's take out the earbuds and test out the sound quality. And of course, in this video, we'll be testing the microphone as well. So right now I'm going to test out the sound quality of the Danny AirPods Pro Gen 2 version 4.2 and see how good it's going to be. So I've got to say that the sound quality of the Danny version 4.2 AirPods Pro 2 clones do sound pretty decently good. Obviously these are not going to be as good or better for those asking than the Danny version 4.9 Tiger Builder or the Danny version 4.9 HR. Or the Sam version 4.9 Tiger Builder, for instance. They do have a lot of bass for those asking. I'm listening at them at around 25-30% volume, and I can tell you right away that they can get pretty loud. So for those who like loud audio, strong bass, then these are pretty good earbuds for you, especially considering once again that these are $35. These are considered as budget earbuds. So right now I'm going to test out the air detection of the earbuds. I've removed the right side. It pauses, put it back in my right ear. It plays. And if I remove the left side, it pauses, put it back in my left ear. It continues playing. So right now I'm also going to test out the pressure control. If I press it once, it pauses, press it once again, it plays. If I press twice, skips to the next song, press 3 times, goes back to the previous song. So right now I'm going to be testing out the brand new feature, which is the volume control. All you have to do is simply swipe up on the actual stem. As you can see, it increases the volume. Once again, it increases. And if you want to decrease the volume, simply swipe down. So as you can see, volume control does work. And if you try it on the left side instead, slide up, it increases, swipe down, it decreases the volume. So yeah, volume control does work. This is a brand new feature on the AirPods Pro 2s from Apple, and it's now introduced as well in the AirPods Pro 2 clones. This is a microphone test of the Danny version 4.2 AirPods Pro 2 clones, and this is a completely raw audio coming straight from the microphones itself with some background noise. So basically that's how it will sound like if you're outside, let's say in traffic. That's how it will sound like when you're doing a phone call or Zoom call. So right now I'm going to be testing the ANC and transparency mode of these earbuds. I do know spatial audio head tracking does not work, so let's test out ANC. Let's turn it on. Yep, so ANC does work. It is real. It is actually working. It's not as good as the original AirPods Pro 1 or original AirPods Pro 2s. Also not as good as the version 4.9 Tiger Builder. That's obvious because this is once again a budget earbuds, but it does actually work. It's there. And if you turn on transparency mode, it does sound a little bit more artificial when I'm hearing my own voice, but it does actually work. Right now, let's test out the spatial audio, fixed mode. So yeah, fixed mode, that does actually work. It does make the audio a little bit more punchy, louder, and also more like a 3D audio type of cinematic audio. Let's try head tracking. Turn my head to the right, turn my head to the left. So yeah, head tracking does not work at all. It's just there, but fixed mode does actually work. So yeah, I believe that these earbuds are a pretty good deal, I would say, for $35, especially that it does have a very good design. I would say it does have a one-to-one look. We got the speaker hole, the loop right here, ANC transparency mode kind of works. It's not perfect obviously, and the sound quality is actually pretty decent, but once again, these are budget earbuds. It does not have a premium price to it, and overall I would recommend them if you do want a Gen 2 AirPods Pro clones and if you're on a low budget. Seller's going to include once again a free in-case lanyard for the first 100 orders. So guys, this is the AirPods Pro 2 clones from Danny, the version 4.2 for $35. I'll link it down below in the description where you guys can check it out. And of course, you'll be able to get the additional AliExpress Black Friday deals where you spend $30, you get $3 off, and also you'll be part of the Apple Pencil giveaway. But for those, let's say if you're asking me, should you buy this one, the Danny version 4.2 or the Danny version 4.9 Tiger Builder, I would probably recommend you getting the version 4.9 Tiger Builder if you do have a higher budget. But for those who just want earbuds for the gym, who has a low budget, then this is going to be a great recommendation. So that's it for this video. Once again, all the information will be down in the descriptions. Comment below if you got any questions, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.